This is a review of the Chemical Guys polishing condition pad that I would highly recommend. If you are doing polishing on your car and it says lube it or lose it, this is something important to do when you do your DA buffer machine. If you have a Chemical Guys the DA polisher buffer, then this is something very important to do before you start buffing, because you want to first prep the surface of your pad, and this prevents from heat building up on your pad, since it's going to soak it up and make it wet. And that's something very important to do when you do polishing, DA buffing on your ride and your car, because of the fact that if you don't do it, then you could make the pad get more lubrication of heat, and you do not want to do that because it'll burn up the pad up and it could potentially damage the paintwork of your car. So this is something that's important to have before you do your DA polishing buffing, because it's a polishing pad that lubricates the pad and it makes sure that you don't burn the paint of your car, and it makes the pad wet, and that is something that's very important. So I would highly recommend this Chemical Guys conditioner lube it or lose it pad, because of how it conditions your pad before you start polishing and buffing your car. And this overall, it does a job like was intended. So, and I would highly recommend this.